Hi everyone, welcome to the introduction video of my Basics of Python and Image Processing with Python course. Before starting the course content, I would like to give you a brief introduction to myself. I'm Yılmaz Alaca and I have been working on software and electronics for 8 years. I have 11 courses on Udemy and my instructor rating is 4.7. So what will we learn with Basics of Python and Image Processing with Python course? First of all, we will learn about Python, which is the most popular programming language. And also, we will be well acquainted with basic Python structure, conditional structures, file operations, loops, functions and modules. Then we will have detailed information about image processing. Thanks to the achievements we have achieved, we will learn basics of image processing, color transformation, object detection, rotation operations, writing text on the image and performing operation on video and webcam. Not limited to this, we will learn to use the deep learning module and learn to detect our hand and facial landmarks in real time. Finally, we will realize a virtual button project based on the information we have learned. I can't wait to see you among us already. So let's get started without wasting time and have a good knowledge of Python and image processing.